Hello friends, day 10 and I've got as far as Bideford, all the way along the Tarka Trail today, and quite a lot of tarmac, so I've put in some fair old mileage, 26 miles, even though the stats at the beginning say 21, but that's because the phone battery ran out. Quite a lot of the batteries are getting a bit low, so I booked myself into the Royal Hotel, very posh it is too. And I will be charging everything up so that I can go back to my tent tomorrow night. Let's have a look at the Tarka Trail and other footage from today.